Welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture we are going to learn the impact of screen rotation on views, or I can say that the views that retain their state or not. So let's start this lecture. Views that does not retain their state. Now there are some views that doesn't retain their state, and the first one is text view and the second one is button. So these are the two views that doesn't retain their state. Now moving forward, there are some views that retain their state, and the first one is edit text, the second one is checkbox, and the third one is radio button, and the fourth one is switch. So these are the views that retain their states. Now there are lots of other views available inside the Android Studio, but these are the most common ones that developer use most frequently to develop their application. So that's all about this lecture. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.